Okay. Hello, hello. Let's see. That should be good. All right. Okay, let's give this a go. Black. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Let's just configure this stream. Oh, that's the wrong one. It should be this one. Another day. The stream. It wouldn't be great if we could do a stream every day. That would be like the choice. 1 hour every day. Streaming, coding, maybe talk about some new stuff. You know. Hello, here we go. Let's hey, good to see you. How are you today? Do comment. Today is just a coding day. We have an hour or so just to get this code I'm working on. It should be just a bit of coding over lunch. It's for one of the projects that I'm working on. I have a couple of hours to work on this today. So I'm going to do 1 hour today now and then an hour later in the evening. Bum, bum, bum. All right. Let's see. Let's jump straight into it. Bum, bum. Let's move this. So this is today's session is just going to be in Android Kotlin. And yeah, Android Kotlin session. I've got family. I've been trying to get this done for about a month now. Let's get started. Bit by bit, I've gotten my way through it. So basically what I'm building here is taking this composable, pulling it out into a separate component, making changes so it works, and then changing it a little bit. So basically I'm just reusing this multi-choice component. The goal is to turn this from a multi-choice view to a to a long answer view. So basically we've got some duplicate, basically copied the whole thing over here. I removed some items because they'll probably be reusing them. This one here, what is this? This is the preview. Okay. How do I run a preview? Probably don't need this here. In the file, I copied all of the same includes. So essentially, all we need to build is this within here, I think, on questions page. The rest can be reused. And I'll probably split out the files again a bit later. Oh, that could be committed out. I've got some music playing in the background. Some nice funky music. Streaming. If you join in, say hello. So this is the second live stream I've done since I got back from Russia. And I got my account on Twitch. Create a dashboard. Yep. Okay. So yes, as I was saying, I'm here just with the setup. Let's get started. So basically, I want to take this long question. Okay, so I've got a build. I probably have a building now, but I do want to figure out how to get this experimental preview questionnaire navigation, preview question, survey question, state model, and then questionnaire navigate. Come on, long question, composable. So I would want to share this. How do I preview it? Can I do this? Split, initializing. It's kind of not really questionnaire navigation. Question state. What about if I do question? Long question page. Why is that such a low res image? So that would make sense, right? So I've got this split out of date. It's already out of date. Oh, okay, wait a second. Progress survey question. Oh, it tells me the type here. That's what I added. This is question state. So this is Jetpack Compose. You can comment that out. What about if we do a long question page here? What do we have? How do we do just automatically pre-fill this? So, okay, there we go. No, I want a question. I thought it would automatically. Yeah, there we go. That's a bit weird. We have question display model. Question display model, that's right. Question display model is our progress survey question, which is what we have here. We have our question state. And then we have, what else do we have next? So basically, we'll refactor all this later. Question state, question display model. Next, on submit handler. Submit. I think that works like that. I don't think I could do a closure or a X component here. Clickable dot on submit. Interesting. I think I could just do it like that. Surely there's more. There's more to it. Unsubmit handler. Where's the unsubmit? So I could just go to the actual progress fragment. It's not That's unsubmit did not work because it had some parameters. It's pretty easy to notice. All right, okay. So we'll take this. This is multi-choice question page. So we'll go this. We'll just take it, like all of it, really. Fire and put the long question here, and just dump it here, and then fix it afterwards. So we don't actually really need anything to be real. We just mock some kind of mock representation. What's it not liking here? Oh, okay, so that's a survey question state model, but it wants the display model. Got question state. So how do we generate a question display model? This would give us a question display model. The display model. Yeah, I remember that. I had to create all new data types for this. Let's go to this. That's package classes. Progress survey question display model. That's where I want to go. Trying to navigate it. There we go. What about if I go like this? And value parameter is of type. And I just want to jump to source. Cool. So we initialize it with the question states. Oh, that's interesting. We can just create a list of single one, right? So we can go list of question state. No, it doesn't like that. Oh no, we run it in it. Progress survey question display model. And then I'll just add a parameter here. Questions display model. Question display model with the list of. There we go. So we have our questions display model. So that's interesting because it's got the page, but we got the whole display model. It's the list of questions. I didn't write the original source code. I'm just here to fix shit up and update it. So this is kind of like handball to me. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna fix up the camera here. So I don't actually have. Let's have an auto white balance. Auto, or maybe it's a bit cool. That's a bit too white. That's a bit incandescent. No. Yeah, I'll just put it on auto. That's better. Bum, bum, bum. Ah, nice. You know, actually, I find it easier to code. I'm streaming. It's so easy to just like get unfocused when you're, you know, when you're not streaming. It's like gives you a more, I guess, no, I don't know, responsibility is not the right word. Someone's kind of looking over your shoulder, but they're not at the same time, like you're choosing for the, you know, for people to actually look at what you're doing. Let's remove this. Unfinished. We just want the display model and modifier. Why is that not here? I guess we can import it. Why did it not import the extension? Alignment, sure. Is that what we want? Why does it not like that still? Cannot access box instance. It is internal to Android Foundation layout. Import extension function. Okay, that's what I did. Bro scope instance. No. Okay, no, it still doesn't like it. I don't know what's going on here. That's weird. Pull contain cannot access box scopes instance. But yet, However, something not right here. Maybe it's got nothing to do with that, but it's. What about if I comment that out? No, padding works. Why does it work in the place that I pulled it from? Which is the progress survey fragment. All right. So I pulled it from here, and the alignment center. Where is this coming from? Modifier Android X Foundation box code. So if we have our imports, yeah, we don't use this, and we're not using this. Compose. Maybe it's because I need to use experimental compose UI API. That's bizarre, isn't it? Align center. Well, it doesn't. It looks like the error's gone now. Yep. No, it's still there. Can I actually preview? Let's try it. Build and refresh. It doesn't like it. Cannot access Boxscope instance. It is internal in Android. Very strange. It's composable. Composable experimental. What's the difference here then? The difference is this is a class, but we're using an Android entry point. Experimental Unity, experimental UI. Let's try that. Maybe that will fix opt-in. Oh well, it's doing that experimental Unity API. I mean, I think that's the same thing, right? Possibly. Let's try and build it. A preview. Yeah, something's not right here. Could be that I'm not using the right modifier. What about if I just take all of the imports? This is in box.kt, modifier.align, interface box scope. So it is box scope. But why won't it let me use it? That doesn't make any sense, does it? Compose view. Compose UI. Maybe it's alignment. Let's try alignment. No, it's there. I mean, it's all the same stuff here. Exactly all the same stuff. So let's have a think about it. Do I need this? Maybe, maybe not. Does it matter? Probably not. What about if I do a line here? Center. Alignment.center. This is a test. No, it's still the same issue. So this is Boxscope instance. But that doesn't make sense because in this one here it's not there, is it? It's not in there. Modifier maybe? No, it's there too. So what is it complaining about, but not complaining about here? Still modifier. This is what's the namespace? I'm already doing this, right? Dot. Dot box scope. Yeah, but you got heaps. You got heaps here. Modify override function. Modify that align. Maybe it needs to be a specific container. That's why. Because this. What about if I get rid of this? Just like save ourselves a lot of headaches. Not sure exactly what was going on there. Okay, so we have our content. Obviously there's nothing there because we don't have any questions. Answers. So we've got multi-choice. List of. Oh, well guys, that's it for the stream today. I gotta jump up onto the call. Pretty short, but I'm gonna make it more. I'm gonna make this more often. Thanks for jumping on board for the short stream. I will see you. I'll try to. Yeah, I won't be in tomorrow because I got a client offsite, and maybe Monday. So Monday, it's likely Monday. All right. Good to see you. Catch you later.